Hey everyone, it's Tammy Lee from Tammy Lee Tips, and I just checked into the Loews Sapphire Falls Resort at Universal Studios Orlando, and I literally just walked in the door and want to give you a look around the room. This is my first stay at Universal as part of the 2018 Universal Blog Squad. So keep an eye out for a ton of information coming out about all the tips and tricks and things I learned about Universal. But until then, check out this beautiful room. I feel like I'm being transported back to the islands, which I'll easily take when it's snowing at home. I have this great view over the pool. There's a great chair. And this room has 2 beds in it. A nice flat screen. A Keurig, which is always a good thing, especially to start the day. And one thing I'm really excited about is actually the shower, because after spending an entire day in a theme park, you know how your feet always hurt and you just kind of want to sit down but you really want to shower? You can sit down and take a shower. So that makes me really happy, because I know there's a lot of walking coming in my life in the next few days, and there's some great bath products already in the room. So again, this is the Loews Sapphire Falls Resort at Universal Orlando.